Welcome back to Hot Rods World. Today I'm working on getting this plate. I don't know if you guys, I think from the last video, you might have saw the video where, let me, I got a new plate, but the problem now is that this plate is only an inch thick. The new plate is an inch and a half thick. Still a single spray bar, but now if you look over here, my bolts are too short. So now what I'm doing is I went and bought some new ones, and I got my little thing here together. But basically, I got these right here that will give me the and fit the right bolt pattern. So I have measured out using a handy piece of tape how much I need to have over there. So let me just screw this one down. So now, but anyway, so let me see if I can. But yeah, so now I just need to cut the top off to give me clearance. Let me show you real quick on the old plate how much I had over the other plate. But like you say, doing that, I'm gonna try to get at least some kind of videos out, good or bad, educational and uneducational, of at least me doing something weekly anyway. But anyway, here's my old spray bar, but as you can see, I had that much screw above it. So now with the longer bars, I need to make sure I have that same amount of screws up there. So that's what I'm currently working on now. And then I can retest and get this bolted down. But anyway, I'll just show you my little setup here. I went and bought some. I tried one before, it didn't work well, but anyway, I got this so it'll stay mounted because I don't have a press right now. I know I get one, but then I'm gonna use the grinder and I'm gonna cut it right across the boat, because last time I cut without the boat and I cut the edge off, but when I cut it off, it didn't come off cleanly, so I had to clean it out, and then I ended up messing up the threads of the first screw, which I'm looking for now, because I just had it. Here it is. So this is the screw I need to work on, but I put it in there and I kind of messed up. Oh, actually that's not the right one. But that's what I'm working on today. I'll let me work on this. There's no need to show you all the mess up I make. I know I can make a video. Maybe I'll make one of the first one just to show you guys, but I'm not gonna do 4 of them because it may not come out good as I want to either. So but that's the plan today anyway, is to work on getting with the grinder, work on cutting that right on above the boat. That way the boat protects the thread so I can get it off easily. We can get it screwed down and then at least get the carburetor on. And then on I think the next video we're gonna take the bowls and stuff and inspect it. I think the last race of the year, it was loading up pretty good, but I think it was some old fuel that had started gumming up in the air bleeds and stuff like that, and I'm just gonna take it apart and we'll see. But anyway, let me work on this and we'll return to burn.